Hey, welcome to my channel, Mod Obsessed. I'm Dave, and in this channel we'll be modifying cars. If you want to follow me on Instagram, hit me up at mods_obsessed with the new updates and follow-ups. So I'm going to start off this series with my 95 Eagle Talon. I've had her for about 20 years now. I was 18 when I got her, and I couldn't afford the GSX at the time because it was way too expensive on insurance, and me being 18, still in high school, working part-time job, insurance was ridiculous for a GSX. After driving with the stock internals boosted at only 8 psi for about a year or two, or probably a little bit longer, I needed to go faster with the car. Decided to buy a motor that had forged internals, built head, mild cams, with Wiseco 10-to-1 piston compression. Installed the new motor, and when I went to go start her up, she sounded like a bag of shit. And after doing a couple tests, doing leak down tests and compression tests, to find out that cylinder 1 was not holding very much compression compared to all the other cylinders. And since then, I've had her sitting for about, I don't know, almost 5 years. And so now I thought it would be the great time to start putting her back together and take you guys on this journey on bringing her back together. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, thanks. What we're gonna do here is I've got some forged internals to be putting inside, pistons, rods, built head, turbo. When I got the motor built, put it in, installed it, and she had no compression. It was running like crap. To find out that the piston ring gaps were all lined up. I don't know if you can see it there. They're all lined up on the same side, which is a no-no. But other than that, once I took her apart, everything looked good. Nothing looked damaged. So yeah. But other than that, it looks like a pretty good setup. Some Wiseco pistons at 88.5 oversize with some Eagle rods. So what I'm going to be doing is replacing these piston rings with new ones that I got here, and regapping them and putting her back into the engine. So we have our top ring, our middle ring, oil scrapers for each cylinder. So what we're gonna do first is do the measurements on what we need to gap for. So this is the paper that comes with the Wiseco piston rings. I'm going to probably do the street moderate turbo nitrous setup, which is pretty much get your bore size, multiply it by which application you could be applying for, and that will give you your ring gap. So mine will be at 0.019 for piston, the first ring. Second ring will be at 0.021. So that's the first piston ring removed. Second piston ring removed. And my oil scrapers, if I can find her. And there you go. So got that out. So now we're going to do measurements on, before cutting anything, we need to measure the ring gap right out of the box. That way, rotate it. Right out of the box is at 12 thou. And I need her to be at around 19.
Seems like a pretty big step to forget when you're building a motor for somebody else, doesn't it?
What?
Lining up fucking rings?
Yeah.
Can't imagine building somebody else's motor and not fucking remembering that. Second compression ring gap's gonna be at the fronty poo. And top compression ring gap's gonna be at the opposite side. I can't wait to watch this video later and hate hearing myself talk. It's my favorite part.
Okay. I'll introduce you later.
Yeah. This right here.
Why would I do that for?
Don't ask me, I just work here. Bottom oil gap, correct. Top oil gap. Oil gap, you don't need these.
Make sure all the
If you leave
clip
them out,
rings are in properly.
yeah, that was the big up last time, right?
Yeah.
You don't need oil control rings, leave them out. She's practically a two-stroke. You can edit out all the shit that I say later.
Just the music over it.
Like every time this guy talks, some random song plays. I don't know what that's about.
Yeah, just make sure when you see these lock rings that the gap is not lined up with this gap.
Which gap?
Like this ring inside here, the lock ring. Like there's a gap right here between each thing. Make sure it's not lined up with this hole here.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah. Why? What happens with that?
I'm assuming
This
that's
one
what
is
happened.
actually. When for the one that was loose?
Yeah.
This one's.
So just grab it and just pull it. And it'll rotate. If it gets stuck, just.
Okay, so. Oil control gap is in the middle. Those are over there. Top, bottom.
Front. Okay. And front. Some front there. Bottom one there. Okay. One's all good.
You shaved off your bird shit, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Find out pretty quick.
This one there. These are all good.
So we should double check the ones each other did too, just so we're double check. Measure for the second compression ring. I keep getting hopeful that it's gonna be warm enough, but keep getting but just cold enough to be cold.
So you show me yours. I'll show you mine.
That's what she said.
One,
Ring gap, ring gap. That's right.
three, facing forward. That way. Just that one though. The rest didn't. Just numbers on these. That's 4.
Perfect.
3.
1. Sweet.
Um.
H-beam rods, broski.
So for the compression, the piston ring compression tool, I ended up getting a Wiseco compression ring to put the cylinder in the piston into the cylinder, because the one I noticed, the ones with the clamps, sometimes they get distorted and not perfectly round, and this makes it a lot easier. They go for about $40 US. I'm in Canada, so I don't know, 50, 60 bucks if you order online.
Gotta have at least one thumbs up in there.
Always remember to lube up the hole.
You don't want to go in dry. I saw a video the other day. He's like, how to install pistons? The guy just fucking hammers. It's not even our compressor in there. The rings are just fucking exploding.
Bring it down.
Down?
Slowly.
More?
Yeah. Okay, all the way at the bottom.
Yeah? Okay.
A little bit more. There we go.
Okay. This is a much better installer, man. Much better.
Right? You don't have to worry about cranking it.
No, it's so stupid. And the edges are always up too. And then the last person that uses it always over cranks it. So, like you said, it's not straight.
It's not. Yeah.
And then you're, like you say, you're trying to tap it in gently. But that one section of the ring is.
If it so happens to be sticking out a little bit, forget it.
Good?
A little bit more. More. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Honestly. Never used anything other than
I only got it because of this. Like, trying to find. I had one there, like the regular style ones.
Yeah.
I don't trust this thing, man. I'm gonna do this. Can't reach it. Go. Go.
Just had to play with the cup a little bit. Is that in? Yeah, buddy! Yeah.
You know you're getting old when you pull your back sleeping. Does that
Really?
my shoulder blade area? Holy fuck.
I'm at that age now where I'm learning that I'm not invincible anymore.
Yeah.
Ow, I can hurt myself at work.
All right, when you're down.
Yeah, I got my special piston installing tool here. The variable swing press. Still the best name for a hammer I've ever heard. Got that from Brian. Ready?
Okay, go. So go all the way down.
Good?
Yep. Alright, so here we're gonna be torquing rod caps. Applying some of that lube on there. And according to spec, we'll be torquing it at 43 pounds.
store.
All right, so we got the pistons in. That's it for today's video. Our next one will be putting on the head. Enjoy and keep modding.
I like the memes now. Says, does brake clean count as washing my hands? Yeah. Okay, your skin too. Minor detail. Ryan, ready? That's what she said. What's this extra piston ring here?
There's
Going with you. Consented, bud. It's good to go.